Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my some things that have been happening in ragdoll engine. So first you want to go to the modes, and you see like some of the modes, like the Tyler dance. Some of your favorite popular ones are gone, but they do have Apple by Charlie XCX. I love the dance, so I'm gonna be making a video of it, like I would say maybe in a few days, and I really want to show you the dance. So you can, it's on the top, it says new, and you can do, yep, it's super cute and it's so perfect. I love it a lot. I really want to buy it, but I don't know how to buy it. It's so cute. And anyway, yeah, bye guys.